Today we're gonna make a shrimp avocado wrap, but we're gonna use a sesame seed bread cone. For our sesame cone, we're gonna do a shrimp wrap in this one. So I have here some grilled shrimp that I've gotten ready, and I have some cut up avocado, tomato, red onion, and some fresh lime juice right here. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna mix our salsa together. So we're gonna mix our onion, our tomato, and our avocado. Super fresh and easy. And then we're gonna take a little bit of salt, sprinkle that on top, and then we're gonna take our lime juice, squeeze that all over the salsa. Fresh, delicious, easy. We're gonna mix this together. Great for the summer. We're gonna take this with our cone again. So this is our sesame cone. And we're gonna take a little bit of the filling. Then we're gonna take a shrimp. You can also cut up your shrimp, but I'm gonna actually leave them whole. I'm pressing this one all the way down to the bottom and then layering it again. I find that the layering works really nicely with these cones because then you can make sure that we have the entire cone filled with all of your fresh ingredients. So here I'm gonna use about 3 shrimp in this one. Actually, we could probably fit 4, better. There we go. We're gonna top that with some more of our salsa. Perfect. Look at this. Delicious, fresh. You can add a little cilantro if you like. I put a little bit more lime on the top. Perfect.